Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can use Canva's AI tools to create content for your business or brand, as well as how you can quickly bulk create the content so that way you spend less time creating content. Let's get right into it, guys. So here I am on Canva's homepage right here, guys, and we're going to start off by first creating the content. Okay, so we're going to head here where it says start writing, and we're just going to click on it. So this is what we're going to use, guys, to generate the content. So now that we have it open, guys, I'm going to now go to the plus sign here, tap that, and then I'm selecting Magic Write. So for this content, guys, that I'm creating, I want to get 20 tips for improving self-confidence. So now I'm just going to type that in this is a section here. All right, so then I wait. Okay, so now we have all 20 tips, guys. So what I'm going to now do is to just copy these tips. So now, guys, I'm going to go over to Google Sheets and paste the tips there. So let me get Google Sheets open up. So for Google Sheets here, guys, I've opened up a blank document. If you don't want to use Google Sheets, you can always use Microsoft Excel on your computer. Alright, so in Google Sheets here, I'm just going to select the first 30 rows, or 20, the first 20 rows actually, not 30. And then I'll just right click and paste the information in. So now I have all 20 tips here in Google Sheets. So now that we have the tips here in Google Sheets, guys, I'll just first give it a title here. I'll just name it tips, right? Then I'm going to go to file and I'm going to go to download, and at download I'm going to select comma separated values so it downloads as that specific file. So I've done that, so now it's here. You guys probably can't see that part, so I've just downloaded it right here. Now let's say it's some Instagram post I am creating here, right, guys? All I need to do now is to just go here to create a design, or at the search box I'm selecting create a design, and I'm just going to type in Instagram post, and I am going to select the portrait option or the portrait template to use. So this one is 1080 by 1350. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is to just search for an Instagram template here that I want to work with. Of course, if you want to start from scratch with it, then you could always do so, but I'll just select one that's here. Now I have the pro option of Canva, right, guys? So I'm going to select one of these that's on the pro version. So now I'll just remove some of the information from here. I'm just going to also play around here and change up some of the colors for this particular template, as you guys see me doing here. So just get some different colors in. Alright, so there we go. So now that I've changed the colors, guys, I'm going to scroll down to where we have this option right here that says bulk create, and I'm going to select that, and I'll have to zoom out a bit so that way we can see the option here. So once I select bulk create, I have two options. I can enter the data manually, or I can upload a CSV file. So the file that you guys saw me save is the CSV file that I'll upload. So I'm going to select upload CSV, guys, and then I'm going to upload the file from my computer. So let me get that process done and then we continue. So right here, guys, you're seeing the file that I just uploaded. So I'm going to remove the text that we have in the box there as well, and then I'll just go ahead and right click on it, as you guys saw me do. So again, right click on it, and then I'm going to select this option that says connect data, and then I'm going to select this to the section here that has the T beside it. So right there, select that, And then over here now I'm going to come and select continue, and then it's just going to list out all 20 tips that I have uploaded. As you guys are seeing here, all 20 tips are right here. So then it will say generate 19 pages, because the first tip is going to go on this page here, so that's for tip 1, and then the other 19 is for the remaining 19 tips. So select generate 19 pages, and then now it's opening another section, Canva template here, and then that's where we're going to have all 19 tips. So there guys, there we go, we have all 20 tips now ready and waiting to be posted. So that's how easy it is, guys. Now, one thing I didn't point out earlier on when I used the AI tool to get the information is that feel free to go in and tweak the information that you're given. At that point I didn't stop to tweak it or say it, but go in and tweak the information instead of just taking it and using it as you see me doing here. So it's as easy as this, guys. You can bulk create as many different posts as you want, and as you see here, it's just done within a few minutes. So really quick and easy. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you are going to try this out, if you've been trying this so far, if you found this video helpful. Go ahead and leave a like. All right, share this video with someone who you think may also find it helpful. Subscribe for more content. All right guys, take care.